There we go. All right, guys. We came off of a pretty surprise solid week, in my opinion. Um, Market was, I'll say, it was good to us because we didn't expect a bull run like that towards the end of the week, and it was a short week. So, if you held, I think it was worth the hold for longs, but it was a painful like 2.5 days. I could say that. I didn't start off the week good. On Monday, it was kind of rough. I started doing better like towards Wednesday, definitely towards Friday. So we got a full week ahead, so that's good. I think we only have to worry about 1 day of data, and I believe that might be Tuesday, if I'm not mistaken. I'll look it up in a little bit, but Tuesday or Wednesday, I'm not sure. So it's only 1 day. We got a full week, so we should see some regular price action, in my opinion. So ES looks strong. Obviously, it's red right now because it's open right now, but we look good. It looks like we're gonna build maybe 3 white soldiers and then try to sell off. I do expect a drop going into maybe late tomorrow, but or if not, if we don't get a pullback tomorrow, then for sure it's coming Tuesday. That's why I got in those puts expiring, I believe, for Wednesday, those puts. So it was kind of like a hedge play. Nothing crazy. I only got 2 contracts. Nothing too crazy because the bull momentum is in. I don't want to go heavy and get smoked on calls. So it's just a hedge position. So let's talk about SPY levels that I want to watch with y'all this week. So we got, let me see. Obviously, I got 425 puts. So obviously, that's the level that I'm watching. If it goes under 425, then we go to at least, I'll say here. I'll say let's say 423. Let's say 423 if it wants to go below this candle. But if we stay above this candle, then we good. But calls is gonna be, I'll say above. I wouldn't go long unless we hold 430. Yeah, if we hold 430, 50, I think we could go higher more. Let me see how we looking over here. 1 second, team. This is 420. All right, so that's a resistance that we're probably gonna have to hit. So we got wicks all the way up to 431. So yeah, that's why I'm saying 430, maybe 432 if we get a good strong, but I want to see it hold 430. Yeah, 430, like 10 will definitely bring it higher. If we don't hold 430, 10, we definitely gonna like reject. Maybe I'll put a zone around, yeah, I'll say like around here, if anything, and then try to bounce. I am not bearish overall in the market though. I am not like debt ceiling got approved. They got money until what, 2025, and supposedly a pause already height. So that's all good for the market supposedly. So those two levels, I'm gonna watch. I'll set the alerts tomorrow, I promise. So I'm a little delayed today. Okay, so Q's, this alert out. Oh, sorry. Is this even an alert? Yeah, it is. It's too far down. All right. So the Q's look, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, the Q's look weaker than SPY. So it's okay, it's understandable. Chips been ripping MD, so that's why I think it looks a little, and this is a little resistance area, so we expect it. So the Q's is probably gonna pull back at least to maybe to 350. Yeah, maybe 350 by Tuesday, I'll say the Q's, then try to bounce back up. But I'm not very bullish on the upside because this is already too overbought and this could be a double top happening. This looks great. I'm not gonna deny this, but I don't know. I just don't like the size of this candle. SPY candle is way stronger. So, and right now, futures say Q's. I mean, earlier when I looked at it, Q's was red, NQ was red, and ES was green. So not too strong on the Q's tomorrow. So SPY looks like it's gonna be a little stronger. So let's go through some names. All right, so not an extensive list of bulls because, like I told you, we've been ripping lately, so not a crazy list. So I like, we was watching oil, right? So we're already in MRO. So the other oil name that I'm gonna watch with you guys is Valero. Oh, sorry, Valero, almost morning star. Not the prettiest, but it's there. Look, the color. Delete this one. So yeah, it's not the prettiest, but it's a beautiful bounce here. And everything looks good to the upside. So we're getting in a little early because this hasn't even crossed paths yet. And possibly get a stronger and bigger tint on this MACD bar because we got oil news on Friday, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it was positive oil news. That's why I was watching oil. That's why I got into MRO. So, and this looks good too. Look, a nice little double bottom uptrend right there on the monthly almost. So this could obviously go. I got a level here. 110.40. Okay, so 110.40 could definitely push it to at least 111 and change. All right. So don't make this alert. Now that we on it, so I won't forget. Make sure it's the chat tomorrow. So, well, I know it happened. Hold on, guys. Let me put an alert back color. Delete this. Yes. There we go. All right. So it's gonna be here. So 110.15 is gonna be the sweet spot. There we go. That's the color I'm used to. So 110 15 is gonna be the sweet spot to try to go at least 111 area. It could go higher. It could go higher. Look, oil's been selling off for extensive for what, like a weekend, maybe more. I'll say one, two, three. Yeah, for the whole week it was selling off. Those 4 days sell off, so it start bouncing. Um, only that's the only oil one. You can watch Oxy or CVX, maybe other ones almost are related to it, but I got this one and MRO for now. Once I get out of those, then I'll fish for other ones. Like BP was a good one and USO as well. So let's see what else. So I got some health news because health kind of went crazy towards the end of the week. So I want to talk about J&J, Johnson Johnson. Is breaking out of this consolidation channel finally. It's finally like the bulls. The bulls were slowly awakening and finally they woke up. So I'm gonna watch a J&J level around here. What's 57, 55? I like that. I think they got 157.5 calls too. So you can either go in the money or out the money, depending on your portfolio. I think it has a potential chance to finally start filling in this little gap. If we do get a nice rip tomorrow, there's a little gap area here, but I like this level right here to test at least. I think it can go at least to what's that, 168 or so? What is this? 158, sorry, 158. So 158. So a little dollar and change move. And if it does break the 50, then you know you can go at least here. So these two zones are good for J&J. But this looks good. Everything looks good to the upside. I like the R side the most. It's showing a lot of relative strength to the upside. So the Bulls are definitely finally woke up on Friday. So J&J is a good one. And they've been getting beat. I mean, slaughtered. Look at this. Almost 2 weeks. I was just downtrend. So time
Yeah,
for
it's about time energy and health
Mhm.
participate
And resistance area bounce. Yeah.
for
Yep.
sure.
So I like that one on health, energy, like my boy just said. Yeah, I got a small account health banger. I think I don't know. The chart looks okay, but it's like a early. I would put like I'll put 3 weeks just because you don't want to get caught in this flame that it's been doing. But red candles on the daily on Tiva. But this is on our favor, how it's tint changing. So we could get a nice rip. The first candle to start the trend to start going up because it's definitely buy time, guys. Look at this double bottom. So Tiva is a good one. I watch this level right here. What is this level? Let me delete this freaking line. Doing this so much. All right, so I'm gonna watch this level. 735. Let's say let's round. Yeah, let's go one more digit up. 735. All right, so 735. You can go $8 calls. 750. If you're going further, you could try 850 calls. So we'll see how we maneuver. But I like this. This is a beautiful body zone. Look at this. Nice body zone. So let's watch this one for small accounts. Let's see what else I got for you. I think yeah, LMT's on my list. Let me see why I like LMT. Yeah, I got an alert set already. So look, our side, a lot of air. We got air at least to here, guys, before we reject. This looks beautiful. How I built a double bottom and ripped off the MACD with an increased bar, almost highest bar in this couple weeks. I mean, sorry, couple days before. This is almost the highest bar. So definitely trying to set like a trend. And this is a big resistance, maybe macro resistance, like my fellow traders out there put me onto. So this is a resistance area. I want like 4 to 5 times, and then over here. So if it gets above my 200 and holds, we could definitely try to go to the 50. So I'm gonna watch what I got here. I think this is too high. More on that. I think this is an old alert. I will never wait that high on that. Yeah, it has to be old alert. Yeah, right here, guys. I like M2 right here. Or yeah, it's definitely old alert because it's already edited. Or 460, 12. Let me verify that. That's not 460, 12. Okay, good thing I went in. So 459, 65. You can either go for 460 or 465. So but I like LMT. And since we're talking about LMT, let's talk about RTX. So RTX, sorry, RTX. Oh, look, RTX is fire. It got a nice gap up on Friday. And this is almost identical as LMT. And this just put in the green guys. LMT had green guys in it. So the Bulls just came in on the Mac on Friday. And LMT already had Bulls in play, just wasn't pushing it that strong. So RTX might be a lagger. So this is obviously an old alert, yes. So bring this down more. So I will watch RTX. I will wait patiently and wait till it reclaims this EMA at 50 because it did reject on the 200 right there on the daily. So yeah, just wait patiently until you get here, which is a zone of 97.05. You could go for like the 100 calls, I'm pretty sure. Just this. All right. The fence plays right there. Um, I'm hopping everywhere. I got some. Sorry, guys. Biomoran looks fire. It just ripped off a reversal candle on Thursday, and with this candle tells this color of the candle thinks so. Now me telling me there's a lot of volume came in, and look, we didn't even get the green bulls in yet. So this has potential to rip the 50 and the 200 this week and try to retest. I'll say our bodies here. So wait, this is a resistance area. So yeah, right on the body, like 97.50 or so on Biomoran. And There's another health one. Oh, Gilead Science. Gilead Science look really good. You know, guild, right? Yes. Look, double bottom. Excuse me. I'm pretty sure the Bulls is gonna come in tomorrow. This literally is kissing right now. And look, this is a bullish engulfing. This candle is overlapping this whole candle already. So this is a entry around here. Um, there we go. 78.30 on Gilead for the upside. Let me make sure I don't got another health one in here. Nope. All right. We did that. All right. So okay, I like this one as well. A.O. Smith Corporation. Not the prettiest morning star, but I'm gonna respect it. I'm not gonna. And what a bounce off the 200 right here, guys. So this could rip more. I'm gonna watch her right. Let me edit that. I think I'm gonna go lower. Let's do 25. Yeah, all right. So I'm gonna watch that one there. Think it could definitely go to at least 70 if this indicator is online. They just turned 10 and it's curving strong. This looks RSI looks very strong. It looks like it wants to fly. So I would not hold after it hits this. I'm sorry, after it hits that 70 area because it's a lot of rejection here. So, and you got to keep in mind that will be the third green candle if it does come into play. But we got potential. This has gone higher. This thing has gone to the highs of 72 almost. And keep in mind, this is a big buy zone on this ticker. Oops, sorry. Just want to point it out, for people that don't know what I'm talking about. Look. So this bounce, 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 bounce. You understand? So we could catch the continuation tomorrow. So that's what we watching. I think they had news. Look, look at all these news coming in. Better value right now. See, that's another thing, guys. When you're jumping into tickers, it's not bad to look at the news to give you more conviction. Because obviously, if you're seeing stuff like this, 80% of the chance it's gonna go higher.
Yeah,
So
that's DHI, man, on building as well.
exactly. Yep. Perfect example. My
Yeah.
boy said DHI in the Discord, and DHI ripped that same
Yeah.
day.
$1 billion contract reported
Yeah.
Wall Street
So
Journal.
when you see
Yep.
catalyst news like that, that gives you more conviction. So there you go. This is a good one to watch. And ironically, a ticker just with the letters switched around. No, no.
Bro, yeah, I have this on my watch list for sure.
Yeah, it's fun.
ASO, bro.
It's, hey, it's
Yeah,
SO, right?
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
there we go. So ironically, the same
And,
letters just switched.
yeah.
Looks fucking
I
fire.
thought you could chart that first, actually. Oh, what's this
Oh,
one?
okay. Oh no, I'm coming for that one. That's for last, my brother. That's all I did.
Yeah.
So this one looks good too. Look, it just finally making a reversal. We got a big push on Friday that we need, that we almost reclaimed the 9 good. So I'm watching this level on this one. Let me delete my line. So I'm watching the 52, say 15. I'm gonna do 15.
Yeah, that's retail too, and retail's been getting a bid last couple of days.
Yeah, so we in gap. We in gap
Straight up,
fills and we
man.
up. So look,
Yeah.
so we got this beautiful out of like it ripped out of that freaking oversold zone. So that's good. That means we got air at least to here, hopefully. So MACD looks great. It looks ready at least to put in maybe one more 10 and then a green one. But we could ride this. You understand? We could ride this for a little bit. I don't think this is like a 1 day play. Like this is probably like a 2 week thing right here. Because we could potentially go to here. I'll say here and then here. These are two levels. I could definitely go to. So those two tickers definitely watch. We got, I think, yeah, okay, so this one, MP looked interesting. Let me see. So we got a gap up hammer almost. And this channel, it's been dancing on for what, this April? Yeah, April. So it's April. It's been in this channel trading. Could be a time to start breaking with all the bullish nonsense that's going on in the market, right? So double bottom, obviously, I'm not going to draw the line. Thursday, the double bottom happened, right? Obviously, it'll be hard to catch the Thursday move because there was data Friday. Data ripped it a little bit more. So I feel like this could finally start kicking some room upside. A sneaky entry will be around here. This will be the sneaky entry, 22.40. I think they got 22 and a half. I will not go heavy, although I will just scale in and then start adding if it keeps climbing. But it looks good. This looks great. This looks good too. The bulls are in. The bulls showing strength that they want to come in place. So if this thing rips and goes positive, then I think MP will start cracking over here like to these levels again because this is very low. Like look, MP hasn't been this low for a while. So that's one. Watch. Okay. All right, so MP. I like Six Flags too. Let's see. They opening up. Well, yeah, they open already over here. They should be open in New Jersey. Look at this. It's gap, right? It gapped up in this time, right? And now it wants to stay in that gap. So it's not even, it doesn't want to go lower. So this has a lot of air over here. So what we want to do is try to play this price action of 28, 26. Let me see. So this is resistance. So all we have to do is this level is a 27.40, I'll say. 27.40 on 6, right? If it does break this little resistance area, obviously we go here, the top body zone. But I like this 27.40 break. I think they got 27.5. I'm not too sure. But this looks good. Look, double bottom rib. This is the only thing that's iffy, but what I love is how they kissing already. And it's on the positive side, so I don't even care what happened. And if you zoom in, well, I can see with my big ass screen, of course. But you can see right here, there's a green bar. Green. It's like it's trying to hide from us, so we won't know. But we know y'all there.
You
So
got that eye, bro. You got that eye.
yeah, brother. So 6 is a good watch. Like I said, reopening here in New York, I mean New Jersey. So everything's should start pushing up. I like this one is crazy to me how much it's been getting clapped. Planet Fitness, right? Since ER day, these guys haven't had a chance. So maybe they finally start turning after like a 2-week dive.
It's a great looking candle though, man, with that volume right
Yeah,
there.
yep. So this, honestly, I wouldn't day trade it. I would swing this for like almost maybe like try to do like a month or two. Because I want to see if this thing could possibly retest this area price. Just because it's so low and we got a nice hammer candle on reversal on Friday. I mean, for potential reversal on Friday. Like this is a beautiful candle. So I'm gonna watch. I got this zone now, obviously. Let me delete it. I'm gonna watch the 65 or 10 time zone on Planet Fitness to see if it wants to climb high. But this is a good reverse. This is all. This kind of reminds me of KO, but KO looked a little worse. It was a bunch of red candles. So that's how I'm trying to look at this play. Like, oh, is it time to turn? So on Planet Fitness. I don't see why not. See what happens. So we got that one. This one did a move after hours. All right, this is low. Yeah. Not the prettiest. Just need to shift this guy a little up. And there's a morning star. But look, this looks good. I love this. RSI already crossed. We got air at least to here. I don't think it's gonna reject here. I think it's gonna crack and go up higher. So I got a zone right here on lows. Oh, damn, sorry. Let's do 40. 258.5, right? Yeah, then from there, it could definitely go at least to there. So you're gonna like a little 60-cent move before you start trimming, then we could try to go here. But this is a nice uptrend on lows. Look at this. So, lows respecting the pivot zones is making high, and I like how I respected this support zone too. Right here, this is a couple. This is like 4 touches. 1, 2, 3. If you want to throw that one in, it don't matter. But 4 right here for sure. So there's a buy zone for lows, and like I told you, they were up after hours. So we're gonna watch that one. Lows, I think I don't know if you HD, if you want to watch HD, because HD kind of correlates with them. Like sometimes when I play HD, I look at L2 and they move similar. So I guess I'll look at HD if I see that one moving.
Nice. I'm in HD swing off alerts.
Oh, off alerts, bro. So
Yeah.
all right, you good, bro. That's good. That's this got a gap up, right? Alcoa. Gap up Friday. See if we could get higher. So I'm gonna watch this zone on Alcoa. 35, 65. All right. MACD looks like it's about to bust at least a green one because it's already almost kissing. This looks good. We don't gotta worry about that. So Alcoa looks good for upside after that move on Friday. It's been selling off pretty hard. So it has a reason to start trying to go up. So we're gonna watch that level. Believe they got dollar strike prices or $1.50. I'm not too sure. Shouldn't be. It should be $1. Not a crazy move. It should be $1. Okay, so I'm almost done, guys. I'm almost done. I know the game's on. All right, PM. So I like how PM was moving Friday. So we're gonna watch it. I mean, if you caught it in alerts, you in early, but it's ready. I think we got a beautiful bull candle Friday that's gonna break these resistance. I think it's ready. So I expect to test these price levels this week. So we're gonna watch her around here. I'll put another alert. This is gonna be the second one because I already put one early on during the week and then hit the channel. So that one's good for upside. Everything's pointing up. Nothing saying it's gonna go down, to be honest. Let's talk about MO Altria. Altria looks kind of stronger. Is this the right one? Hold on, guys. Yes, look. This is actually, if this wick wasn't like reaching the VP, this would be a bullish engulf. But it's kind of going a little lower than that one. But these patterns do not have to be perfect. We know that already. So above my EMA 50, I'll say 45, 60 is a go watch. This looks bull. This looks bull too. That looks bearish. So go watch those tobacco companies. Okay, so mark that one up. Planet Fitness, MP, got it. All right, I think I got like 3 or 4, and then we out of here, team. LVS, Las Vegas Sand look decent. Let me see. Okay, look, channel it was trading on during the whole week until the good news hit the market Friday, gap up. Everything looks good. So I'm gonna watch LVS. We are in vacation time over here, so we're gonna watch this sucker around 60-20.
Yeah, that was one of my top watches this afternoon.
There we go. There you go, my man's in it too, so that's double the conviction. So yeah, this could go because it's breaking this resistance, so we could possibly gap fill too over here. Little, it already started a little bit. This is a little gap, so this is good. LVS, I like LVS. I think I got another on vacation name. Let me verify. LVS. No, I don't. I'm sorry. That's pretty much the only one that I like. The MGM alert did go off on Friday, so if you guys, matter of fact, let's just mention this. So, MGM, wow, look, nice. The alert went on Friday. Yeah, that's a beautiful reversal. So let's watch MGM right here. And I'm glad I pulled it up. 41. Let's do 15 to be safer. They definitely got 41.5s, and this thing could definitely go at least to 42 and change. So we're gonna watch that one. Campbell Soup, CPB. You better eat your soup. All right, they got ER. So this might be a pre-ER. I don't know. Because they got definitely ER coming up, and this was a strong move on Friday. Everything's saying it wants to go higher. None is really telling me that it wants to go lower. So we're just gonna be patient. This doesn't move that crazy, so I'll see how it moves. If I really like it, if I'm feeling confident on ER, I'll take a call like around this price range. But we're gonna watch it to be safe around this price. Where I got this blue line. Let me put an alert right here. So this is what 51.90 52 calls at least. I think it's definitely gonna go to the EMA. Yeah, that's good. We're gonna watch Campbell's. Pep moved okay. Might as well talk about Pepsi. You know, some members played Coca-Cola, and Coca-Cola's doing did well on Friday. But Pepsi looks good. Yeah, look, it's breaking out of this price channel right here. So this looks good above here. I'll be honest. Yeah, right here. Send an alert on Pepsi around 185.60. 185.60. Yeah, because it can reject. Let me see. 185.25. Nah, yeah, wait until it gets there, at least. Because then right there we start testing this 50 EMA, and then we could dictate if it's gonna rip higher. If it does break, then we're at least gonna go here if it breaks that 50. Pepsi's a good watch. I never played this one, but I want to. I ain't gonna lie. Let me Hornell. Yeah, HRL. ROJ. Sorry. Hormel Foods. It's bouncing off this beautiful 50, like curious day. The only thing is, I don't want it. I don't know if it's gonna put another green candle. So I put a zone. I got levels all the way up here because I already plotted them from the past. But this is the zone that I'm watching. Let me just put it for you guys. Above the body, yeah, 41.25. But it looks ready, like to start filling in like these price levels over here. Because look how it's been on this area for a while, and it's finally reclaiming this and holding this 50. It wasn't doing that for a while. It did this day, but it got whacked down. But now that we have two green candles, I don't know, that might be a sign. So it's gonna hold. So that one, Sony. Sony looks good. Doji, I hope that's just a reversal, indecisive for the next one to be a green one. So that's what I'm expecting and looking out for. Let's see if the market wants to give it to us around 99.80, 100 calls or 102 calls. Everything looks good though. This looks good. This looks good. This as well. So Sony has, I got a couple levels. It definitely go at least to 103 and change. And one more zone above it. I'm sorry. 100. I'm sorry, once we hit the 100 calls, it could go at least to 101 and change, then 102. 102.15 will be my next level on Sony. So definitely got to crack this candle. And I got one more, and then no, two more, and that's it. Yeah, let me verify. Yeah, two more. So Foot Locker, they got smoked for ER, right? But might be time. Why? Because Nike did his thing the other day. So Foot Locker might be ready. So I'm only watch this zone of Foot Locker right here. 2670 zone. Definitely time to buy. Did a double bottom here. Super over so we got already a 4 to 5 10s here on the max, so Bulls can start finally playing a role here. Try to go at least to, if it breaks that level, it could definitely go to here. That'll be my first zone over here around 2782, then 29. But I like Falak. I think it's ready. I told you because Nike was moving good during the week. So last but not least, check. Let's see if we get on the check train. Let's see what happens. So we got a nice build up happening here. Check was not letting go of this for $9 on basically. It's holding $9 basically pretty good. Oh, it went under actually. Sorry, I'll say high 80s, $9 on right because of wick. I'm actually counting the body, not the wicks. That's why. So we got Friday, right? It finally ripped. We got this that made a pivot above on the RSI. So showing that buyers and bulls definitely on Friday. This is increased too and dark still. So I'm gonna watch a level on check. Delete this. 988, right? They got 10, they got 10, they got 10.5s. Got 10, they got 10.5, but this could be a good move at least to from there, at least to here, which is 1020. And then another will be around this area, which is almost 11. Now, I don't know about filling in this gap because this is a big drop and they basically did that on ER, but this would be a smaller comp play. I will not go heavy or anything. If you do go heavy, you'll be in and out. Do not try to swim this just because ER was so bad. But it might want to kiss here. You might want to kiss this 21, which would be nice, which is was only this. Oh, great. Clicking right on it. So almost 1080 or so. That's not bad. Basically where this wick is at. All right, gang, y'all want to ask me about any charts? I'll pull up real quick while before I let y'all go and watch the game.
No, man, I think we're good.
All right, man. So I'll be on tomorrow live in the morning with you guys, Zoom, and we'll kill it like we do.
Right on. I have a late start too, so I'll be on a little bit longer.
Nice,
Stoked.
nice. Let's kill it.
Let's do it.
All right. Thanks,
Yeah,
gang.
appreciate it, man. Thanks for your time, man.
All right. Have a good one. See you in the
All right,
morning.
cheers up. Late.